Hey guys, my name is Nikki and I want to welcome you here to Carry Grace. Alright, so we are on day number 29 and I've been sharing my journey with you as I go through the Flylady's 31 baby steps. Alright, we are getting close to the end of this, y'all. It's starting to get real. Hopefully you're finding that your routines are getting easier and easier each day. We're going to keep working on our morning routine, our afternoon routine, and our evening routine, okay? We're just going to keep doing them. The more we do them, the better we're going to get at them and the more efficient we'll be with them. All right, so for day 29, we are going to again talk about taking care of ourselves. Yesterday we talked more about making sure that we remember to eat meals and drink plenty of water throughout the day, getting rest, things like that. Today we're going to talk about pampering ourselves. It is so important that we take out time for ourselves each and every day. I don't know about y'all, but sometimes when I'm just go, it feels super draining, and sometimes all I need is just a few minutes to myself to do something good for me, and it really helps me feel refreshed and just ready to keep going. So we're going to talk about spending 15 minutes every day doing something for us. I'm sure that this is going to look a little bit different for all of us because all of us like to get recharged different ways. I know for me, one thing that I like to do is not every afternoon, but a lot of afternoons, I will go in my kitchen, I will make myself an iced latte, I will sit down and I will drink my iced latte in peace and quiet. I like to do this when my kids are outside playing or when they're occupied doing other things. I'm sorry if you hear my dog in the background barking. My kids are outside and he's barking at them. There's a few other things that I really like to take the time to do for myself a few times throughout the week. These don't happen every day because there's no reason for them to happen every day, but I like to set aside a little bit of time each week so that I can paint my fingernails. Y'all, I am all about painting my fingernails when I have time. I like to use really nice lotion on my feet because it just feels so good. I like to do that, put socks on in the evening, and that kind of helps me relax. And then another thing I like to do is sometimes I'll do like a really good conditioner on my hair, or I'll do a face mask or something like that. None of these things have to be expensive. They don't have to take a lot of time. We're really talking, 15 minutes, 10 minutes. And just do something that makes you feel good about you, makes you feel pampered, and it will help you feel recharged. What I want you to do though is leave a comment and let me know one of your favorite things to do to pamper yourself at home. Do you like to take a little power nap? Do you like to drink a really good cup of cappuccino? Do you like to do a face mask? Paint your nails? Maybe sit down and read a book. If there's something that you really enjoy doing, let us know down in the comments so that everybody can read them and we can all get different ideas. All right guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Remember to keep doing your routines, and I will see you guys tomorrow.